In this short TExtract tutorial, I will show how to index person names. For this example, I will use a book about the history of Dilworth School in Auckland, New Zealand. I will use View Show Person Names only. Let's do the name Hewitt. I accept entries that have a first name. I press the space bar to set the green check marks. Here's a quick look at the formatted index. I can merge Paul Hewitt into Paul D. Hewitt. Next, I will do the plain entry Hewitt. In the Context View panel, I can navigate occurrences to add first names or initials. I select these initials and use Create Subheading or Control plus comma. This copies the initials into the edit bar. I press the down arrow to go to the next occurrence and use Same as Previous or Control plus P. This adds the same initials. Down arrow. Control plus P. Down arrow. This is the same person, so I can use the same initials. Control plus P. Down arrow. Control plus P. Down arrow. Control plus P. Down arrow. Notice that the edited occurrences have been accepted and turned green in the reference bar. This is a different person. Paul Hewitt. I select the word using Control plus up arrow. Control plus comma now copies it into the edit bar. Down arrow to go to the next occurrence. Control plus P. Control plus P. And right arrow brings us back to the entry list. Now I'll use KeyView to see which other entries there are with the word Hewitt. I use Control plus R to rotate the first entry. I merge Paul Hewitt into Paul D. Headmaster Paul into Paul D. This one can be rotated. That one too. Down arrow. Control plus R. Down arrow. Remove the word left. Control plus R. And let's merge Headmaster Paul into Paul D. I merge Paul into Paul D as well. Now these three are obviously the same person. Merge Ron into Ronald Arthur and R.A. into Ronald Arthur. Alfred into Alfred George Turner. And finally, Ron into Ronald Arthur. Let's take a look at the formatted index. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.